Let's put some alterations on the other stick, this one over here on our left. And this is kind of review, but I think it'll be helpful for you. So I'm going to, in the object manager, select the correct object. Going to disable subdivision surfaces just because that's me. I just like to see more what's going on here. Now in the previous video I said you could hit M and L for loop path cut. It's also available under the K, letter K, for knife. So there's three cut tools. Pardon me. There's three cut tools that you'll be using a lot: plane cut, line cut, loop. So you can access it that way. So let me hit L, just like I did before. I'm not going to go into a big explanation of what I'm doing here, but I want to show you. I'm going to put a loop there. I'm going to put a loop there, and then I'm going to activate my selection tool, and it went to the rectangle selection tool because that's what I used last time. And I'll select those points and pull them up, and I get just a little bit different dynamic here. So let me scroll out, get something like that. And I could grab this one if I wanted to and pull that down a little bit. Don't have to. Okay, let me click anywhere on the blank space on the object manager to deselect, and then just like I did last time, enable subdivision surfaces, and there you get this nice bendy stick. So that looks cool. Get something like that. The other thing I want you guys to do, and I'm not going to go through the whole process, is put a mouth and some buttons on this. And if you remember way back when, we used platonic primitives for the eyes. So you can do this yourself without too much guidance. Hit the drop down menu and choose platonic, and you got a big honkin' shape there. If you remember, or you can just simply select one of the eyes, you'll remember that the diameter was 10 centimeters. So for the mouth, I'm going to crank that down to, like, let's say, let's try 5 centimeters. Hit return. And then I could go into 4 views, or I could just kind of carefully grab stuff by one axis only and make sure that it's positioned correctly. So let me zoom in there. I could go in a little bit more. So that's, one chunk of his mouth there, one little piece of his mouth. It doesn't have to be symmetrical, but remember, you can Command C, Command V, Command C, Command V. I just made another one, so I can move it up. So you get the idea. You can create a mouth, put some buttons, maybe at a different size there, and go ahead and do that, and I'll see you in the next video.